Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you top 5 tips and tricks that you didn't know in Roblox Studio. So now let's not waste more time and let's just check it out. Alright, so the first thing I now added a cylinder and make it just like that and make it like that, and if I want to make a leg, you see I can't be able to do it like that, but there is a way to do it. Just a minute, send it to my material. No need to do that. Just right click on the part, not on the Explorer. Right click on the part, then just click onion. Then as you can see, now it just goes like that, however we want it. And now tip 2 is also like I'm now making a leg. I'm now going to duplicate another part which is for the leg, and I just add it here, and you see, and it's flickering like that. And actually it's not flickering, it's just showing very fast. And we don't actually want it like that, but there's a way for that. Just click on the part and then go to the model and make sure that the move is unticked. And then we just scale it here, just a minute. We just scale it a little bit. And thus, as you can see, you can do this up or down. But make sure don't make it too high, okay? Otherwise it would look like it would be as a bump and something that we don't want. So look, we can not make it like that because it would look awful. Just a minute, we just put it a little bit, and thus you can see like that looks pretty perfect. You can do it like that. Tip 3, like if you want to make your own model in Roblox Studio, just hold the left mouse bit and then make sure that all of your parts are like that. Then right click, then click group as a model. You can do group as a folder if you want, but that's for like in the Explorer a folder appears, and which is just called folder. Let's see. Yes, I'm right. So this is how it is. And this also, like, now I'm going to delete the folder, but now I'm just going to have it not as folder. Now let's see if the group has a model. Group as a model is very great. Tip 4, like for making a part and you want it to have a hold hold keyboard button E to pick up. There's actually a way. Just add any kind of part you want. For me, I'm just gonna add this block and I'm gonna make it yellow this time, just so we won't accidentally so we won't get confused. Then in the Explorer, click plus, then add in a proximity prompt. And then click proximity prompt, and there you can change the action text. You can make it, I don't actually know that. And here it shows, I don't know either. Here it shows of whole duration. Here's what keyboard key code, and I don't really know that. And here shows the name. Here shows the object text, like this. Like for example, this is a pizza, and I name this pizza. Here it shows a parent, which parent, and you can, and if you don't want it enabled, then just click the enabled to be unticked. And now for our last tip of our video is going to be really special. Is like for the tool inside the toolbox. Now here, like inside the toolbox, we've got some free models, and the free models are not really good because they are not really good quality. And for me, I prefer making my own models. Which is like what we just did with this lake earlier. And they're also free models. They are called free because they are actually models, and they are not actually really good quality. They're not the best quality as you own. For me, I prefer learn or prefer making my own models, but I just learned from a video of how to do it in Roblox Studio. So guys, I think that's all for this video. And if you like my channel, please subscribe if you like my channel. And of course, if you like this video, please make sure to give a like. And this is Pav13 leaving. Bye!